What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. In this video I'm going to show you how I'm testing locomotive, the layout control under computer with Windows 11, iTrain version 5. I have digital system Rocco Z21. The voltage right here, it's 14.7.8 fluctuating. We'll test locomotive real quick. Function 2. Here we go. At the same time, I'm recording screen of the computer, so you will see how the process is going. I have 3 blocks. It's detected by Z21 detector, so it's 1, 2, and 3. On the layout, it's actually opposite direction. It's 3, 2, and 1. Right here, you'll see plastic joiners here and there. Let's get started. This is light version of iTrain, so I can do automated layout control. Automatic here, direction of the train. This is Railcom support, feedback system, and of course software. We're just pressing this button. Let's put the sound, actually more fun. Here we go. So it starts moving, speed, then it's occupying this feedback, then keep going. It's going to occupy this feedback. It will be delay. The direction will be reversed. That was delay, and it's just going backwards. And the whole thing repeating till the power in computer is running. Now it's coming to block 1, and here you'll see all that information actually about delay. It's coming right there. So it's reversing direction and start moving again, and I can stop it right there. So I copy the file as Bob Fuller recommend to do in the video tutorial. I download manual. I didn't read it yet, guys. Just playing with it. Yeah, you need to read the manual. Anyway, so I copy the file and open it with version 6, and nothing really moving. It was missing address of the locomotive and functions. I add the functions, and what you see in attachment, this is latest, actually this version what I'm running. Thanks for watching and have a good one. Bye bye.